guitar, 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 guitar.
Give me this extra stuff. Guitar, guitar, guitar.
Ba da da dum, bum bum 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 ba da da dum, ba ki ki ka da da da, piki da tiki tiki da tiki tiki da, bum bum bum.
Yes, this is good.
Yeah, this is a better way.
Better.
Yeah. How about I accent the first and the last beat? Ba da da dum dum gum bum ba da da dum dum gum bum ba, instead of, because the clave is in it. It's my suggestion.
This is, try to find a good way.
Yeah.
This is your job.
Ba da da da. I'll do very softly. Ba da da da. Bum bum ba da da. You hear it, but it's not the main focus of what it is. I think this would be better.
Your idea with the Tchaikovsky is excellent. Now try find a good way.
Yeah, I think this would be the best way.
Because next day will be tumbao. Oh my gosh.
Yes, it's all good. Let's do that. I'm going to accent the first beat and the last beat. Yes. And you'll still hear this a little bit. I'm not going to make, before I was going like this, making this the focus. No, the melody will still be the focus, but this will be the foundation.
Okay.
Because when you walk on the floor, you know that the floor is there, but you don't have to look at the floor.
Yes, yes.
You know, you don't have to hear this to know that you're walking.
This.
Ba da da, ba ba, ba da da, ba ba. Ba da da ba ba, ki ki ka ki ka ki ka ra ba, ki ka ki ka ki ka ra.
Just emphasize this.
Yeah.
6, 8. Ba da ba da ba da da da. Bum bum ba da da da. Bum bum ba da da da. Bum bum ba da da. Ba da da bum bum ba da da da. Bum bum ba da da da. Ba 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 da da da. Ba 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 da 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 da. Piki.
Today is next day with the Josue and Louisa, and we will work today with the Clave.
Cut. Welcome to day 2 of what we're doing. I'm just kidding. Welcome to day 2 of what we're doing today. We're so excited, and we're gonna listen to. We're gonna do Tchaikovsky today, the same Tchaikovsky, Waltz of the Flowers. But what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna play with the melody, and I'm gonna cut some notes out and actually stretch the melody to match the 5 beats of the clave. So it's going to sound a little bit different for you, but it has to be like this in order to fit into the clave. You guys ready? Because we are ready to begin. Let's go.
But it's still Tchaikovsky.
It's still Tchaikovsky.
But another chord.
It's correct. It's correct. Another chord.
8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, 8. Ba da da dum, bum bum ba da da dum, bum bum ba da da dum, bum bum ba da dum, bum bum ba da da dum, bum bum ba da da dum, bum bum ba da da, bum bum ba da da, ba da bum bum bum. Yes.
You see?
Yep.
What do you feel?
Yeah, it's different. I'm trying to catch the 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, like emphasis more on my 1, 2, 3s. The first 3 beats of the clave.
Do not think the guitar, 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 guitar. Just feel it.
Okay.
That's how it's been emphasized.
That is correct. Like I said, emphasize the beginning and the end. The ba-ram, ba-ram. You have all that space at the end to do whatever you want.
Trust your body.
Yeah, play with it's the same time. All we're doing is playing in between the time. You have a beginning and an end, and you can do whatever you want in between. As long as you hit that 1, and then you have a play on that 7. Bam bam ba dam da dam ba dam Bum bum ba da da dum. Bum bum ba da da. Bum bum ba da 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 da. Ba da ba. Much better.
Yes, you see?
Yes.
Just trust yourself.
Yes, yes, okay. Yeah, it's easier to focus if I've just got the beginning and the end to worry about.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
That's why we did the, that's why we did, what's the most important about the 3-2 clave?
Yeah, beginning.
When it begins and when it ends.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Good.
Great,
Okay.
you got it. Big difference. Here we go. 5, 6, 8. Ba da ba da ba da da da. Bum bum ba da da da. Bum bum ba da da da. Bum bum ba da da. Ba da da. Bum bum ba da 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 da da. Big key.
It was better with the melody.
Better with the melody, yeah.
It was better, yeah.
Yeah.
Now people will see
Yeah.
that when I asked him for the clave, just for the clave, we was a bit tense.
Yeah, it's just tense. Yeah, the melody helps you to feel it, and it stretches the time. Like I said, there's no other way better way to say it. It gives you that stretch. When I go like this, ba kita kita, it's a short ba kita
Exactly.
kita.
I feel it like in the box.
That's correct. But ba gita gita ram pam 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 ba da da da. It's smooth. It just glides.
Yes, yes.
And when you're dancing, changes too. Because when I'm going ta kita, you're ta kita. It's
Exactly.
short. But when I'm ba, you're like on the water, just floating.
Yeah, making it more fluid.
It's a good exercise.
Yeah.
Ba da da ba 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 da da ba ba. Ba da da ba ba kika 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 ra ba kika 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 ra.
Yeah.
Just emphasize this.
Yeah.
She miss.
Okay.
Why? You still think that you must lost the training from yesterday. Keep this training. Keep this 1, 3, 5, 7. Just add.
Yes. Keep those movements.
Keep the same movement.
Still play with the audience.
The same.
Ba, remember the violin. Ba da 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 da. Pam pam ba da 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 ba da tiki kika.
Just give us this movement, conductor.
Ba di da di da da. Pam pam ba. Yeah, it's okay.
Give me first because I can with the checker.
Kita 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 kita. Kita ta tikita kita 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 ta tikita kita kita.
Give me this extra sound. Tikita kita ta 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 ta.
Okay, okay.
How about I accent the first and the last beat? Ba da da dum dum gum bum ba da da dum dum gum bum ba, instead of, because the clave is in it. It's my suggestion.
Try to find a good way.
Yeah.
This is your job.
Ba da da da. I'll do very softly. Ba da da da. Bum bum ba da da. You hear it, but it's not the main focus of what it is. I think this would be better.
Your idea with the Tchaikovsky is excellent. Now try find a good way.
Yeah, I think this would be the best way.
Because next day will be tumbao. Oh my gosh.
Yes, it's all good. Let's do that. I'm going to accent the first beat and the last beat. And you'll still hear this a little bit. I'm not going to make, before I was going like this, making this the focus. No, the melody will still be the focus, but this will be the foundation.
Okay.
Because when you walk on the floor, you know that the floor is there, but you don't have to look at the floor.
Yes, yes.
You know, you don't have to hear this to know that you're walking.
This.
Yes.
Yes.
This
So,
is clave.
Yeah, this is
Exactly.
correct. It's a good analogy
Yes.
for it. Yeah. Right? So you know the floor is there. That's the foundation. That's the clave. So now we're going to work on breathing in the sea air because we're on the Baltic Sea. Here we go. Ba da da dum. Bum bum ba da da dum. Bum bum ba da da dum. Bum bum ba da 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 dum. Bum bum ba da da dum. Bum bum ba da da dum. Ba ki ki ka da da da. Piki da tiki tiki da tiki tiki da. Bum bum bum.
Yes, this is good.
Yeah, this is a better way.
Better way.
Ba da ga da ga da. Bum bum ba da ga da ga da. Go. Ba da ga da. Yes. Da ki ki. Ba da ga da da. Ba 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 ki ki. Ba da ga da ga. Yes. Pi pi ba da ga. Yes. Da da ba ba ba. Da diggy diggy da diggy diggy da. Ba 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 da da da. That was your best one.
Oh my gosh.
That was the best one that you have done.
I don't ask me the rest.
Yes.